Riding through this world all alone.
Hi, bonjour, Kim Coates. You know me as Tig from Sons of Anarchy and about a billion other movies. Guess what? I'm coming to Niagara Falls Comic-Con the week of June the 4th. Come see me. I'm coming there. I'm gonna kiss the girls, hug the babies, and slap the guys. I mean it. Don't miss out.